What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, good morning and welcome back to your daily Luna Classic update. We're back again as always, and now I especially wanted to make this video because my prediction has fulfilled. Price target has been reached. I had this analysis and this prediction for the last week, I think. At least for the last 5 days or something. So we finally got it. We finally got that breakout above 31,500, this level right here, and we got to our price target between 35 and 36,000. On top of some great news, we have some great news coming out tomorrow, or at least some, well, not news because we know what's coming out, but at least some great things. But apart from that, the main news is, and that follows my analysis. The main news is that there are rumors that Coinbase is going to list Luna Classic, which would be an amazing move by them, I think. Maybe if they also implement the burn mechanism on every transaction, that's a great thing to do. I mean, just look at it from the business development thing. Coinbase was the biggest exchange, right? I mean, back in 2017 and stuff, everybody used Coinbase. You used Coinbase to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then maybe if you wanted other cryptos, you could go to other exchanges, but you would like to stay on Coinbase. And it has lost that position definitely to Binance and maybe even for certain parts in the world to other exchanges. So getting Luna Classic back on getting Luna Classic on the platform and actually implementing that burn mechanism would get a lot of people to the exchange, which would be great for them. So, you know, it's obviously rumors, but I think there's a good chance that it actually gets listed on Coinbase, which is great, kind of depending on how the burn works there, obviously. But apart from that, so that made us go up. And I already said in the last couple of videos that we had all these strong support levels. It's basically, this move was a formula of two things: strong support levels and a strong community, and the potential for bullish fundamental news. This was bullish fundamental news, so we got that move. So in this video, we're going to take a look at can we actually get higher than this. Apart from that, I always take a look at some of the burn rates as well. As you can see, burn is going well. We've burned through 3.2 billion Luna Classic with the burn tax, I think this is. But apart from that, and someone told me, is that I always said that this was the total burnt, 4.3 billion. That's not the case. It's actually, you can see right here under top burners, you can actually see that we almost burned through 7.5 billion Luna Classic in supply, which is a great thing. I mean, the burn tax isn't burning through a lot every day. But for example, another great news event coming out tomorrow is that Binance, obviously with their new burn event, and then burn tax 0.1%, will be burning it every Monday. So Monday you'll see how much Luna Classic will be burned. I made some mistakes yesterday in calculating how much Luna Classic it would be, so I'm not going to do that, but I think it's going to be quite a lot, and I think it's going to shock some people. So that could get us another move. So to me, after this move, the thing is right now is we need to break above 36,000. You can, on the very short term, you can see that we already took a break retest off of 35, and that could be a reason to do something like this. But the main thing is just breaking above 36,000. All right, if we break above 36,000, we'll get up to 40 and 42,000 easily. But the thing is, I think we can only do this with more news. So for example, the burn tomorrow by Binance could be already enough. But it's just about breaking that 36,000 level. Until that happens, I think we'll just consolidate a little bit on top of 32,000, kind of right here. And then when that news comes out, or when it is a lot of Luna Classic at least, then we'll get this move. So that's what I expect. I'd say the probabilities of something like this are higher than the probabilities of something like this not happening, right? So I'd say I actually think this is going to happen. Again, because now we have all of these strong support levels at 32,000, even 30,000, even 34,000, all of those strong support levels, strong community, actually potentially great news, right? So you got all of those things, and then the potential for the great news, and I just think it's most likely that we'll stay up here, and that we're at some point going to find something to rally about. So yeah, it's just waiting for that. It's waiting for tomorrow, and it's waiting for new news to come out about Luna Classic. But for now, that's my take on Luna Classic. So if you do have any questions about it, feel free to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening. And I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.